Hello students, so this is your computer class and today we are going to see how to develop algorithms or how to write algorithms step by step. Okay, so let's start with simple process. First one we'll take with to add up two numbers. Okay, so we'll write algorithm in such a way that it makes your work easier. So step 1 will be enter the numbers. Okay, step 1 will be enter the numbers or enter the two values, that is A and B. Okay, now step 2 will be you have to add them. So take one digit or any alphabet, like I have taken sum is equals to A plus B. This is step 2. Okay, now step 3 will be you have to print the answer. So where will be the answer saved? In this sum part. Here you have add the two values, so answer will be saved in this sum. So what we'll print is, we'll print sum. Okay, and at the end what you have to do is you have to write stop. And when you will write this stop, that means your algorithm is finished or the process of solving the sum of two numbers will be stopped here. Okay children, now let's see example number 2. It is somewhat complex than the first one. So in this what we have to do is you have to find the sum of marks scored by a student in 10 different subjects. You have to find one student's marks of 10 different subjects. So how we'll write the algorithm? Let's see the steps. Firstly, we will take two words or two letters to store some values. Okay, so I have taken total and counter and I have given the value 0 in starting. Okay, it is not important that you should take this total full and counter full. You can either take the letters like C, T. Okay. So I have taken total and I have given the value 0 here. I have taken counter and I have given the value 0 over here. Next thing what we have to do is we have to input the marks of all of the subject. Okay, of all the subject. So here you will enter 10 times the marks of 10 subjects. Okay. Now in the third step, what you have to do is you have to store the value of first subject in this total. Abhi it is the value of this total is 0, but when you will go to this process or this step, what you have to do is you have to add whatever the value is in total and you have to add the marks which you will input over here. Okay, so right now the value of total is 0. Okay, right now the value of total is 0. So here the value of total is 0 and here you will enter the marks of first subject, that is suppose 25. So now in this total what will be saved? 25. 25 is saved in this total. And now the next step is increase C by 1. So here the value was 0. Now after this process you will increase the value by 1. Why? Because you have to input the marks of another subjects over here. Clear? Okay. So now in this total there is the value 25. Okay. Now see this step, fifth step. You have to see if C is less than or equals to 10. Means C should not exceed the value after 10. So why we have given this condition? So that only 10 different subjects marks can be counted over here. So the equation is written C is less than or equals to 10. Then go to step 2. Means till then the value of C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This step will be repeated. If the value increases after this 10, then you have to go to step number 6. Okay. So till then this loop will continue till the value of C becomes 10. Okay. So till the value of C is 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will again repeat these steps, step 2, step 3. So again here the value of value in total saved is 25. After this here it will become 25 plus again whatever the value you will input. Suppose you have inputted 40. So 25 plus 40 will be stored. Again this step will go to this. Again you will enter the marks. Suppose you have entered this time 50. So again 25 plus 40 plus 50 will be stored over here till the process is going on. And after this loop ends over here, what you have to print is you have to print total. Why you have to print total? Because all the total marks is stored in this total only. So in step number 6 you have to store this. You have to print this total, and at the end you have to stop your algorithm to see the result. Now let us see another example. In this what we have to do is you have to input marks and print fail if it is less than 50, else you have to print pass. Okay. So first of all we'll input marks over here. So suppose I have entered the value 40. Okay. I have entered the value 40 over here. So what this condition will tell you what you have to print. So see here, if I have entered M as 40, so M is less than 50. Okay. M is less than 50. And here the condition is if M is greater than 50, then you have to print pass. Otherwise you have to print fail and you have to stop it over here. Okay. So suppose I have entered 40. So here the value of M is 40 now. Okay. So 40 is less than 50. So what it will print? It will print fail. Okay. It will print fail and your algorithm will be stopped over here at the third step only. If I enter over here now, suppose if I have entered the marks here as 80. Okay. 80. So now here the value of M is 80. Okay. Now here the value of M is 80. So 80 is greater than 50. So now in this condition it will print pass. Okay. It will print pass and it will not go to this condition and it will stop. So these are the steps which we include for writing any of the algorithms. Okay. So with this your chapter is finished. Your unit A is finished. If you have any confusions, you can ask me and clear your doubts. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.